Another way to find relevant information is to find domains that actually have your keywords in them. And what you can do inside of Google is you can actually use the parameter all in URL. And basically what you're going to do is write in the word all in URL. Then you're going to put a colon there. You're going to put a space there. And then you'll click enter. And then once again, you're going to see a different set of search results. And you're actually going to see sometimes pages or subdirectory pages that will have your information. So again, these are going to be different search results. They're going to be highly relevant. And typically, the first searches are going to be the most relevant, and they're going to be searches, again, that would not normally appear in a typical Google search if you were looking for relevant information. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.